In this video, I'm going to show you how to append rows to a table using the Excel key in N8N. This is a simple and useful workflow if you want to send new data into an Excel table automatically without doing it manually every time. If this tutorial helps you, please hit like and subscribe for more easy automation guides. Let's get started. First, from the Nodes panel, choose Microsoft Excel. Once you add that node to your workflow, look for the operation called Append Rows to Table. This is the option you need when you want to add new records into an existing Excel table. Next, configure the node by giving it the required details. You'll need to connect your Excel account, select the file you want to use, and then choose the correct table inside that file. Make sure the table is already created in Excel, because this action works with a table structure, not just a random range of cells. After that, map the data you want to insert into the correct columns. Each field should match the table headers so the new row lands in the right place. Once everything is configured, save your node and run the workflow to test it. If the setup is correct, N8N will append a new row to your Excel table automatically. That's all it takes to append rows to a table using the Excel key in N8N. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more N8N tutorials.